Hey everybody, Steve here with RV Site to Site. Appreciate you tuning in today. Right now I'm inside the storage bay of my Reflection 337 RLS, and I've made some changes in here that really has helped me. I've seen people complain about using the tray, the MORryde tray, taking up too much of the space, and they just felt like they lost some space. Well, I use every bit of the space in mine, so I wanted to show you how I do that. And so anyhow, stay tuned, and we'll get right into it. So, of course, this is my take-up rail that I installed. And, of course, this is the Nautilus system here. And I haven't straightened up anything, but I want to show you this right here. I use the side walls right here to put stuff in. I'm going to push the tray back a little bit because normally in here I've got little boxes and stuff like these. Right here, here's some straps, and I use these little storage boxes that I bought, and I'm getting ready to put it all in across here to keep all the small little things in. And so all this stuff can be stored underneath of this right here. Now let's look at the other side. Right here, I have all my blower tubes, and I actually have about 12 feet or more of extensions, along with this thing that I've kind of bent here, where I can blow off my slides on top. And I just put my camera on a stick to see if there's any sticks up there, and if there is, I just blow it off with that blower thing. Now, let's move this back here. I've got test equipment right here. That's my volt amp meter. This is a amp meter for DC. This right here is a 6-foot step ladder. I keep my level there. Here's a saw that I bought at Tractor Supply. This is a axe that I bought at Tractor Supply. So all this space under here, I've got plenty of room for more stuff under here. And then I've got everything here. I've got a mat, I've got a step, I've got some cords. I even have a small chainsaw. It's a battery powered chainsaw. I use my lift blocks right here. Right along here is where I store all of these type blocks for my leveling legs. And so I've got all that. My tool bag is here. And so then I've got a big 9-foot by 12-foot tent that I can put over over the picnic tables. I've got my cushions, my mats. I've got a portable table in there. So I've got a lot of stuff right here. Back here you can't see it, but if you're in a messy area, I've got some little stepping things back here that you can use so you won't get your feet all wet when you walk into your camper. So in here I have my Ninja wood fire. I'm getting ready to use that to smoke some ribs today. Got my extra grill plate for it there. I've got my Cobalt battery powered blower. That thing will last forever. Right here is my propane torch thing that I torch the steaks. If I can do reverse sear, it's called. And so I cook them basically to temperature and then sear it with this right here with a couple of those little old 1-pound tanks. Right here is a great big a 100-foot long hose. This is almost like a fire hose, except it's smaller. And that right there connects up to my, I have a macerator pump. And then I have my 8-ton jack right there. I have the power thing in here. I have a bunch of power tools. In the front bay, I've got a charging station where I charge all this stuff. I got my air compressor. All my tools are right here in this one. The bigger tools and other things are in this bay right here. And so we go to the other side, and notice everything on this side here is low, so it'll go underneath the cord reel there. Let's go to the other side. Okay, so we go to the other side here, and underneath here is my sewer fittings. Right here is the tool to loosen tight sewer fittings. Then right here is all my water filters and regulator and different things like that. I have 150 feet of freshwater hose here. I've got some black water flush hose right here, and then of course, like I said earlier, this is my great big box of tools that I carry with me. And right here I have a tire repair kit. Always keep my gloves handy. Right here is my macerator pump, so I can hook it up to that hose in case I need to dump for a long way. And that came in handy before I installed my own dump station right here at my house. And so again, I've got this right here is great. This is a little air compressor, battery powered, and it lasts forever. And so then I also have a couple of drills here that I use. Both of those are battery powered. This right here is a light. Excellent. So I store all kinds of stuff in here. And so don't tell me a don't tell me a MORryde Tray robs all of your space. I utilize every bit of my space, and I think you can see that pretty clearly. Well, I think that'll about do it for this video today. Appreciate you tuning in. And I think that if you try out the MORryde Tray, that you'll find that you have plenty of room to store everything, and it makes it really easy to get to. And also it holds up to 800 pounds, and so that's really, really good. So anyhow, I think before I go on this one, I'm going to open up the Ninja wood fire right here. I'm going to pull that thing out and fire it up, and we'll put some ribs on, and we'll take a look at that, and then that'll be the end of this video. Thanks a lot. You have a wonderful and blessed day. Back in here, I plugged my little gray extension cord, a very heavy-duty extension cord, that into my socket right here, receptacle, and it comes out here, follows out, and my Ninja wood fire is plugged into here, and it goes into here, and I have my grease tray in place. I have my grease tray in place right here, and smoke should start coming out right here shortly. Okay, I've turned the Ninja wood fire on. I have my pellets in my smoker. I have loaded the tray here, and so I've got my ribs on the grill, and that's with Montreal seasoning on it. We're going to see how those go. This thing will even out at 250 once the smoke starts. Well, the ribs are done. They look great. So we're getting ready to pick them up, take them off the grill. Let it go.